आङो क'क्राझार टाउननिजोंनो फुरि गामियाव थायो। आं दा CITआव डिजाइन डिपार्टमेन्टआव फार्स्ट इयार खालायगासिनो। ओमफ्राय आङो दा सुबुंथि सिबिनायाव 5th बेचआव कर्स खालायगासिनो जाय फ्रि ओमफ्राय बिराद बिगिनार फ्रेन्डलि। जों बाहाय वर्ड ओमफ्राय एक्सेल, PPT ओमफ्राय फट'शपखौ एसे सोलोंनो मोन्दों। ओमफ्राय जाय नेक्स्ट बेचआ फैनोबा फैनो हागोन, बिराद मोजां होयो।
My name is Ajay Singhi and I'm currently pursuing my diploma in CIT. And first of all, this in computer where I have done my 3 months completed, and this is our 6 months. And now I'm having 6 months doing. So my address is living in Arunachal Pradesh, Sepa. So in future, after this, students who are like to register in, this is a free of course. You can do, anyone can do. In the future, all people can do. So thank you for